The FIR against Azam Swati's incendiary and defamatory tweet has been registered under sections 131, 500, 501, 505, and section 109 of the Pakistan Penal Code. Similarly, the provisions of section 20 of the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act have also been invoked. Now, it's important to note that Section 20 of the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act was recently declared to be unconstitutional to the extent of the expression harms the reputation. So the Islamabad High Court has recently declared certain phrases in Section 20 of the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act 2016 to be unconstitutional and to be violative of a person's fundamental right to free speech. So the reliance on Section 20 of the PICA seems to be misplaced as far as the FIR against Azam Swati is concerned. Moreover, similarly, Sections 5 and 501 of the PPC deal with defamation. Now, what constitutes defamation is important. And it's important to ask if an institution, as opposed to a person, can register an FIR against a person arguing that a person has defamed an institution. Moreover, can an FIR concerning defamation be registered by only the person who has been defamed, or can it be registered by any other person on their behalf as well? In this context, it's important to remember that a petition is pending before the Supreme Court of Pakistan with respect to institutional defamation. But until this point, there is no conclusive evidence as to whether an institution, as opposed to a person, can also be defamed. As far as Section 505 of the PPC is concerned, that deals with public mischief and it deals with circulating a statement with the intent to cause or incite certain disturbances. Now, you may recall that a similar FIR was registered against Iman Mazari when she had issued certain statements in the aftermath of her mother's arrest. In that case, the Islamabad High Court had acquitted Ms. Mazari upon her expressing regret at the statement. And the Islamabad High Court had held that the essential ingredients of Section 505 were not fulfilled because there was no mens rea involved, and because the accused had apologized and had expressed her regret as far as her statements are concerned. So I believe, as far as the legality of the FIR against Azam Swati is concerned, it is perhaps a weak FIR. Having said that, it's interesting to note that the PTI government during its tenure was frequently registering FIRs against political dissidents under similar provisions and under the law of sedition. So while one may question the commitment of PTI and its members to fundamental rights such as the right to free speech and expression, but nonetheless, as far as the legality of Azam Swati's statement is concerned, and as far as the strength of his FIR is concerned, the FIR perhaps is tenuous at best.